Introducing the brand new iQOO Z10 Lite 5G, officially launched in India. A bold step in budget performance. Packed with a massive 6,000 mAh battery and the blazing fast MediaTek Dimensity 6300, this phone is built to last. Capture stunning details with its 50-megapixel dual AI camera. From bright daylight to low-light shots, every click is sharp and clear. From its stylish matte finish to its vibrant display, the Z10 Lite is not just tough, it's also a looker. Plus, IP64 ensures protection from life's little accidents. With 8 plus 8 GB RAM and a generous 256 GB of storage, the iQOO Z10 Lite gives you the freedom to install, store, and switch apps effortlessly. No lags, no limits. Enjoy stunning clarity with 1000 nits peak brightness. Your screen stays ultra-visible, even under bright sunlight, thanks to the ultra-bright display mode. The iQOO Z10 Lite 5G comes with the latest Funtouch OS 15, based on Android 15, delivering a smoother, smarter, and more personalized experience, powered by AI. iQOO, the high-performance brand by Vivo, backed by 650-plus service centers across India for trusted support. Use your SBI credit or debit card to get an instant 500 rupees discount. Choose from 4 GB, 6 GB, or even 8 GB RAM with up to 256 GB storage. Thanks for watching. Your next phone is just a click away. Link in below if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to The Motivator's Mind, where tech meets power.